Hey, no! Daya tur ekos.
And clean all the crevices on my window.
Jenny, die koffie komt.
So dirty, and I feel like either you're the type of person that makes them or you just don't. And I do clean.
You're at home.
Not that often.
What do you want to look like?
It's kind of disgusting, and I feel touching.
God's records.
Hey amiga, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another vlog. Today's vlog, it is a Saturday by the way, and it's currently like 8:30. I just woke up and I made myself a cup of tea and I'm about to start my day. I have to get my nails done at 12:30, and we have a taxation coming up for our apartment soon, and therefore there's just a few things that we need to clean up, make sure the apartment is completely tidy for that to happen. That will happen the upcoming week, so we're pretty far with that already. The living room is done, the kitchen is done, and it's actually the whole apartment is done. We just want to tidy and deep clean certain things. So Benny asked me to do the sink in the bathroom, and then he is gonna do the shower and all that later. So I think I'm about to start with that. I feel like looking very good today because I haven't been looking very good not that I don't look good without makeup, but I haven't like really got ready the past few days, and I've also been feeling like, you know what, there's not a lot of daylight. And I've been really hard on myself about it, feeling like I'm lazy. Well, I'm really not, because every day I've been doing something, even if it's like a little thing, but that's just something that I always struggle with. I'm always very hard on myself, and I'm always someone who I just finished one video and I'm already thinking about the next video. Like, that's how it is. I also have 2 weeks off from my daytime job, so that will give me some time to get my shit together, get my life back together, and also rest. That is also very important. Initially we were planning to go to Curacao right now, but yeah, things just didn't go as we thought they would. So yeah, here we are here, but it's okay. It will happen at some point, but for now we're just gonna get ready and prep for Vlogmas also, because that's just, I think, 10 days away or something. It's really close, so there's enough that needs to be done for that. And yeah, I think I rambled enough for this intro, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the bathroom, clean that up, make the sink tidy, and Benny's gonna take care of the rest. But yeah, a nice cup of tea. But anyways, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna meet, who you're never know who you're gonna meet.
Alright, amiga, I finished showering. I did my skincare, my body care, all of that. I picked out an outfit already. And now I'm about to do my makeup. My boyfriend is making coffee in the background and grinding the coffee beans. But yeah, let's do makeup. Alright, amiga, I finished getting ready. I am now at the bus stop waiting for my bus to come, and I'm now gonna go and get my nails done. I currently have like a red color. I don't really know what color I want to get yet. Low-key, I want to get the green color that I had before this color, but I'm not sure yet. I might do something neutral or simple because I want to keep the holidays in mind as well, and green doesn't really fit everything. So yeah, that's that. But I'm wearing like my beautiful jewelry from Ana Luisa. This video is not sponsored by them, but I genuinely just love their stuff. I recently did a collaboration with them. My previous video was sponsored by them, and they still have the sale going on, so I wanted to inform you on that. If you want to get something, this is the time, because they have a sale going on from buy one get the second one 60% off. But my bus is coming. So amiga, I'm now at the nail studio getting my nails done. I'm almost done. She took a little break to go to the toilet or whatever. But yeah, I'm now getting my nails done. I think I'm gonna go for this color. It is a very pretty green color, and it's called Leaf Clover. I'll show you the afterwards. And after this, I need to go pick up some flowers from the farmer's market, because I have a collaboration coming up with a brand, and the brand requested some flowers in the video, and also my nails need to look good for that, so I need to get my nails done anyways. It's not specifically that for that, but yeah, I'm getting my nails done and then I'm picking up my flowers But yeah, she's back, so I'm gonna finish getting my nails done and I'll check in with you when I'm done. Alright, amiga, we finished getting the nails done. This is what I went for. Like, look at the fun green color. Yeah, really happy with it. It's very Christmassy and festive and not too summery at the same time. And now I'm off to the market to go get some flowers because farmers market. Why get them in the store if I can get them at the farmers market? So I'm gonna head towards there and I'm gonna try to use the bathroom before I go there. But yeah, farmers market time. Finding the perfect flowers for the post that I need to make. So happy. Now let's go find something to eat and then after that we're gonna go home. Okay, amiga, your girl is back home. I had such a good time by myself in the city. I thought I would share with you the things that I've got. Of course, I got this humongous bouquet of roses and I will be making the picture tomorrow to post. So I think I'm just gonna store the roses like that. I'm just gonna take away the purple paper and leave them in the plastic so I can take that picture. But they requested flowers in the picture, so that's why I got these roses for. Then I also went to Dunkin'. I got like a few donuts from me and Benny. Let me see if I can open it. Since he wasn't gonna come to the city, I thought I would bring him something nice. And donuts always work in his book. So these are the donuts. Then I also got something at H&M Home to be specific. I got like this little tablecloth, but it's just for the middle part of the table, not to cover the whole table because I don't know if I'm gonna like that look. And this one is also like very basic and simple. I'm not really sure, but I wanted something like that for Christmas. I'm slowly gonna start decorating my house this week. So yeah, that's that. I actually wanted something more textured in the form of my pillowcases, but I didn't find anything like that, so this will have to do. But yeah, that is it for everything that I've got. I am now gonna settle, put away the roses, put them in a vase, and after that I also wanted to get like some journaling done. And yeah, that's it for now. Like, I'll check in with you in a little bit. Gonna just leave them like that for now because I don't know what I'm gonna do for the shoes yet. I have an idea, but I don't know exactly, so I might do it indoors, I might do it outdoors, and if I want to go do it outdoors, then I need for them to be in this plastic. So I'm gonna leave that for now, and then tomorrow after I'm done shooting, then I will like unpack them and put them in the vase normally. But for now, this will do. This is the vase that I used. And then here are my pretty flowers. Yay!
Just got a nap and now I'm back up. I'm busy editing, Benny's in the kitchen cooking, and yeah. So that was a little quick update.
Yeah, that was the update. I just woke up from a nap. I'm now editing. I'm just literally repeating what he just said. But I was so tired because I woke up early this morning. And I also feel that as soon as it's dark outside, my body just wants to go to sleep. But we can't do that yet. So I'm now editing a video, this video that you're watching right now. I'm editing it, and then maybe I will do some journaling later in the office after dinner. But I'm gonna work on this video while Benny is working in the kitchen on our food. So yeah, that's it. It's a little update. Let's edit. By the way, I didn't really speak on it yet because I know that I said at the bus stop that I didn't know if green was gonna fit with like a lot of colors, but I'm gonna put up with it. And it's not the same green that I was talking about. This is more like a Christmassy green. And yeah, I'm happy with it. It doesn't fit with a lot of colors, but I'm just gonna deal with it. It's only 3 weeks and then I will have a new color, so it's fine. But yeah, just quickly wanted to say that because I was looking back at the footage and I was saying at the bus stop like, yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit with a lot of colors, blah blah blah. And then what color do I get? Green, because that's really what I wanted. But yeah, that's that. Edit. Change into my PJs and then I'll meet you in the office for some journaling.
Baby, you get your way, nothing I can do.
So amiga, we are in the office and it's now journaling time. Today I'm gonna go for the burn after writing. I'm gonna write like a few of these prompts out of this one, and also like the brain dump. The shadow work and law of attraction one I'm gonna just do tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday, so I feel like that's a good day to reflect on that. But I'm gonna split it up because this has been like a very up and down week. There were like a lot of people passed away this week. One of them was like a kind of like an aunt, but a very, very close friend of the family. She is a little bit older than my mom, and it was very suddenly actually that she passed away. Also, there was a couple that were missing this week, and then in the middle of the week they found them in a lake. I don't know what happened, but they ended up in a lake, and then they pulled the car out of the lake, and unfortunately those people passed away as well, which my sincere condolences to everyone who lost someone right now. But it also makes you think about yourself. And like a few vlogs ago I was so upset because somebody body shamed me, and when you think about like the bigger picture, of course pain is pain, but when you think about the bigger picture, there are people that didn't even wake up today. And maybe they wanted to be here still, you know? Like, it's just, there's so much more to worry about than people talking shit about you and things like that. I don't know where I'm really going with this, but anyways, I'm gonna do these two journals right now. And yeah, once again, my sincere condolences to everyone who lost one, because it is crazy. It is just, these are crazy times still. And yesterday there were also riots in Rotterdam. I always get so freaking anxious. Yeah, you know what? Never mind. I'm gonna, yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, amiga, I finished journaling and I feel so good about everything that I wrote down. And I had a lot to say. I wrote like 3 pages, so I feel good about that. The burn after writing, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. After all, my hand is hurting a little bit, and also I don't feel like really thinking too much about the questions that this thing is gonna ask me. So I think it's a better idea to do that tomorrow. And I wanted to share something that I found this morning on Twitter with you, and it really spoke to me, and I don't know who needs to hear this, so I will share it with you. And it says, just a gentle reminder that it is a natural human rhythm to slow down when the weather turns colder and the nights are long. If you're struggling to keep pace right now, you're not lazy or a failure. You're just a person. I've been struggling with this so much because I feel like literally like an asshole for not working harder, doing better, doing more. And that's just very toxic. And it's not a healthy way of thinking. So yeah, I need to like, you know, call myself back on that, because that is not a good way to go about things. And I know some of these videos may seem like I'm doing a lot of things and, you know, always doing stuff, but that is just because I plan it that way. I plan these videos to be that I am doing a lot of things, because I don't think anybody would want to see a video where I'm just sitting and doing nothing. So yeah, that's why I just always pack these videos with a lot of activities, but that's not what my life always looks like. And I just wanted to quickly shine a light on that. If you're struggling with something like with productivity and wanting to sleep as soon as it turns dark outside, hey sis, same. It's okay, it's normal, and you're not a failure, you're not a loser, you're not lazy, none of that. So yeah, be kind to yourself, because if you're not kind to yourself, then why would you expect anybody else to be kind to you? On that note, I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed it. Let me know what else you want to see on my channel, what you want to see for Vlogmas, because that is coming up very, very soon. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah! My goodness. Good night.